Hello, it's Tuyara, and today I want to tell you a little about the Sakha language, also known as Yakut. It is the language of the Sakha people who lives in the northeast Siberia in the Sakha Republic, also known as Yakutia. Yakutia is the coldest inhabited place in the world, and here, besides Sakha people who make up the half of the population, we have Russians, we have Evens, Evenkis, Dolgans, Chukchi, Yukagirs, and many other ethnic groups. The Sakha language belongs to the Turkic language family, but it has its unique features. It has preserved its ancient roots, contains borrowings from Mongolian and Russian, and remains the native language for the majority of Sakha people. According to the 2010 census, around 450,000 people speak Sakha in Russia. And finally, let's learn some Sakha phrases. Dorobo, Egerde, Toxonun, Machtal. Follow me if you want to learn even more about Sakha language and culture. Korse Khaderi, see ya!